Well, now I am working here on my test bench PLC system with a Keyence IV sensor. Here are my gasket sample images that I'm using to test the camera. The camera looks for the holes in it, and this is an implementation on Control-Logix based on the Keyence PDF instructions from Keyence website. Basically, it's instead of using the EDS file, you just add a generic Ethernet IP model and configure the input, output, assemblies for it. And also you need to import the tags so you get the descriptions of all the input, output mapping of the camera. Here I am switching the programs using the IV Navigator software. You can see I have two programs created on it. And here I have a subroutine that all it does is changes a program using the handshaking bits from the camera interface. So if I change this value, which is a parameter I pass into the subroutine, to 1, it's going to change the program on the IV sensor to program 1, or 0, back to the original program I was initially running with. So it's very simple and it's easy to do this way. That's program 0, and if I change it to 1, it's going to change it to 1. So from the main subroutine, I call these two subroutines and I pass parameters to it. Here's the parameter I pass, which is a program number, which I first compare to the current program in the camera. If it's not the same, it's going to initiate a program switching request, and it's going to wait for the request to be effective. Once the request is completed and the program has changed, it's going to finish up and untoggle the state of the program switching. Also, I have a camera shoot program, which is triggering the program inspection. All I do is pass on a boolean, which is a trigger signal. It could be a input from a push button or whatever. It's just a on to initiate the triggering, and it will wait until the camera is not busy to complete the request, untoggle it, and then finish up and wait for the results to be completed, and then notify the camera that the inspection data result was accepted. So you can untoggle the state and finish up the subroutine and return the result onto a boolean. So whenever I press this push button, which I wire to local input 0 on the L16ER PLC. Sorry, I need to focus this cell phone here. It's not the best. I need to adjust the focus. It's not out of focus. I don't know why. So result was a good part. This is the good part image, which is just a gasket that I downloaded from Google, a gasket image, and I just covered one of the bolt holes with the black circle. Thus, this is a reject part, and it should not pass. I'm looking for all quadrants. Here's the reference frame, which is a search the anchor image, and then I search for all 4 circles. So whenever I place the part in the focal inspection point, which is right there, and I press the trigger button, this will not be okay, not good. So let me just press it there. You got a not good, and the result is off, not good. There it is. It failed because that hole is blocked. There you have it. Thank you for watching.